Well, it's a lovely afternoon, very sunny, not a speck of clouds that I can see. Um, my brother and I are getting ready to go camping in a remote area somewhere up north. We're probably going to be driving about an hour and a half to 2 hours, depending on the road conditions. But hopefully we'll find a good spot and we'll spend the night there. Oh, there's that truck. We just finished tenting. Yep, I'm gonna put the cover on now, and well, this is where I'm gonna be for the night.
Can you take a picture of me holding this and say that I shot the leaf falling from a tree?
Okay.
Okay.
Pretty. Pretty. You got the campfire ready to go. I'm gonna move that wood out of the way. It's very nice and surreal. Serene, quiet.
Very nice and serious.
Nice and surreal. Alright, so my brother is currently tending the fire. I've decided to set up the space for sleeping. And I'm gonna quickly show you around. That's the entrance, or exit I should say. I'm on we set the tent up on the truck bed, so that's the entrance. That's a little net up there. And my brother would be sleeping down there. He has a small roll of towel for the neck support in place of a pillow. As a sleeping, I'll clean that up later. And some miscellaneous stuff. I'm currently sitting on a cot. I've decided I would like to be elevated from the truck bed because the truck bed has the grooves that are not really friendly to your spine. I'm gonna stand up here for a second. I can almost stand up straight because I'm a short person, but this is more or less what the setup looks like. Right here. Yep. So with a cot inside, it's a bit tight, but I think it's all right. He can make do. Yeah. Otherwise, as a solo camping unit, it's very cozy, plenty of room. And let's say you get a full-size inflatable mattress that fits comfortably between the wheel wells, then you would have more than enough space for two people. Plus their luggage, bags and belongings, all that jazz. So, yeah, looking forward to reporting back to see how well we sleep. It's also supposed to drop down to 40s and the high 30s, so we'll see. I don't have any propane heaters, so we'll see. Slept in colder temperatures, just regular sleeping bags, and I don't know what temperature these sleeping bags are rated, but so far it served us well, so I don't think it should be any problem tonight, so yeah. We are treated with a very bright moon this evening. Well, good morning. It's 7:12 a.m. As you can see, it's still pretty dark outside. I have my little trusty headlight on. I thought I'd wake up. Last night was pretty good. I slept okay. I did have to wake up at around 3 a.m. For a multitude of reasons. The main one being that I had to go pee. I might have drank a little bit too much water last night, but I had to go pee kind of badly. After that, I realized I actually thought it was like 8 a.m. Like I've overslept because the moon was so bright, and I thought it was dawn. But when I stepped outside, the moon was high into the sky, and it was illuminating everything. The whole forest was lit, so didn't need a flashlight then. I thought, it was chilly outside. It was, I think, 38, 39 degrees, and I figured I'd start a fire and stay warm by the fire a little bit. I was awake by now, so there was no going back to sleep. Yep. Here's the fire. Just scavenged for some twigs and wood. There were still embers left from last night, so I used that to start the fire. But now it's cozy and staying warm, waiting for my brother to wake up. He's been snoring loudly all night, which is good. Well, good morning, brother.
Morning.
How did you sleep?
I don't remember. I was asleep.
Oh yeah, well, that makes sense. We just put in the last batch of the wood, trying to burn everything off so that we don't leave any traces. Yeah, this is a nice place. Our target did fine. It's probably filled with water, actually, because of all the condensation at last night. What are you opening? It's an MRE. Meals ready to eat.
Menu 16, chicken burrito bowl.
Nice, sounds good for a breakfast.
We'll see.
I'm having pizza. Or boiling some water in a pan. We had pretty intense condensation last night. You can see it's dripping water everywhere. That's the truck. It did okay. That's the path we will be exiting this site. How are you doing?
Well, somebody abandoned me when it started pouring.
Yeah, I was busy organizing things in the tent.
Yeah, you went in the tent and then you locked it up.
I didn't. There's
You
no
locked me
lock.
outside.
There was no lock on the door.
I brought your phone in. I brought all the gear in the car. I'm soaked.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Well, of course.
I'll pack all the sleeping bags.
Sure.
We're still waiting for the last remnants of rain to stop.
But now tent's gonna be wet.
Well, it was wet.
It was wet.
It was wet already from the condensation.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll give it a good shakedown and Get all the bugs off too. It's coming. More's coming. It's raining a bit more. Well, we're stuck here until then. The rain stops. I don't know. It looks like it's gonna. This is not a downpour, so it's gonna.
It's gonna keep going.
It's gonna keep going. Yes.
So we're staying here for another night.
No, we're not.
You're telling me.
No, I'm pretty sure I have to be at home. I have to be home today.
Why? You're not letting me go to work.
It's not my fault.
Oh, I think I just shot myself. Oh.
This is not okay. That's not kid. Next time, I need to bring a rubber mat. Hold on, how do I do this? Oh yeah, it's a selfie. How do I do this? So next time I need to bring a rubber mat for where our shoes will go, because I don't want to wear it in here. There's already a lot of dirt and grime in the tent. So.
And you don't want to leave it outside either.
Well, I think under the truck would work, because the tailgate is down.
Yeah, I love putting my foot into a bug-infested, snake-coiled shoe in the morning.
Or a rubber mat that goes in here.
Maybe.
Yeah. Some ideas for next time we can do this again. Listen to the sound of music. This is nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm starting to hear heavier drops.
Oh, I left the garbage out there.
Oh, the garbage is gonna be soaked. Darn it. And my raincoat's in the cab. Things are going very smoothly. What's out there that's not waterproof?
Are our chairs okay?
The chairs are gonna dry out. They're gonna get soaked, but it's fine. They dry out quickly. I guess the next thing is the fire.
Fire's fine, we'll go out. I put all our bags and stuff in the car.
Oh no, it's gonna be muddy on the way out.
Yeah.
I hope I don't get stuck.
Possible.
I didn't bring my traction boards. A lot of things to bring for next time. Alright, so the sun's out again. There's like no trace that it's ever rained. The ground is already starting to get dry. It did not put out the fire. So we're gonna have to wait till that burns through. Yeah, we're trying to wrap up here. My next worry is that the trail might be a bit muddy. We'll see. This place is surprisingly sandy. It's like they put a fresh batch of sand to cover up all the divots and potholes. But I know yesterday when we were coming in, even though it was pretty dry, there were still puddles and some deep patches of mud. This rain's probably not going to help that. So we'll see how it goes. I'll try and record whatever happens. We got to douse it before we go. And bury it also, technically. Yada. Moment of truth. Let's see if it's too muddy. Oh. That's our exit. Hopefully there's no car coming. Oh, you got it? Thank you. I'm trying to keep the momentum so that the truck doesn't get stuck, but I also don't want to go too fast and ruin the suspension and the tires. It seems to be doing all right so far. It's not as wet as it could be. Ooh, here's the mud that I was worried about. Look at that. Oh dear. Made it through that one. Alright, we did it. And I can avoid that one.